Hey everybody, this is a Sears model number 124.7207 heater fan. So this does provide both heating and cooling. It's one of these devices that was made through the 1950s. You've seen others such as those that are made by Dominion and Thermador. But this one is just an interesting little unit in and of itself. So what we're going to do is give you a look around this little thing, and then we will give you a running demonstration of it. So enjoy the detail shots. And with that, we'll go ahead and kick off the demonstration. Here's fan mode. This thing spins at a pretty high RPM on fan mode, but we'll switch it down to heat mode here and show you that. The fan slows down pretty drastically. Still slowing down. And what we'll do is turn the lights off and show you the heater's glow. Now, if you look around the heating elements, they're that star shape in the back there. You can see a faint orange glow coming from them. We'll switch it around here and show you the side of it and the back of it while it is running. Yeah, that's the business end, back where the heating elements are. You can see the tilt mechanism here. That all works. And what we'll do now is go ahead and turn the lights back on. And then we'll switch it back up to fan mode to cool it off here. And we'll shut it off to watch it coast. So a little snippet of information on this unit is that it was actually made by Mimar. So they manufactured a lot of things for Sears and under their own badge name. So with that, we will go ahead and conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old fan heater get put through its paces. And hopefully if you did, please be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel, because of course we will have more to come. Later.